Hi everyone. Our garlic that we grew in our front yard garden is ready to be harvested. We will show how to tell when they are ready for harvest and also show you when to not pick them. So on the garlic here, you would notice the lower leaves are either dried up or in the process of drying up. When about 1/3 of leaves at the bottom look like this, it's time to harvest. We usually pick one and check its size. If it is decent enough, this is our second sign that it is harvest time. Let us quickly pick these and then we will show you how to get them clean. It is a wonderful harvest. Most of the bulbs are large in size, some are small too, but mostly large. Once we have the garlic picked up, we will peel down the outermost green leaf and it will peel the neck a bit. You can use this gap to take off the outermost covering on the whole bulb and you get this clean one. You can also cut the roots at this point to give them a cleaner look. We are going to take this in our backyard and clean it up and show you how we cure it so that it can be stored for months. But before we do that, let us show you when to not pick the garlic. This bunch of garlic here was planted about 15 days later than rest of our garlic. You can see that in general this whole group is green. The leaves at the bottom half are not yellow yet. It is very close to harvest, but we would wait 2 more weeks for this one. We harvested these on Sunday. We had to get some chores done, so we put them on our deck in shade for 2 days. We wouldn't do this if it were to rain. So after cleaning it up, we are going to hang these in our garage on these wire shelves, upside down, and we will let them dry here for a couple of months. Once they are dried up, we usually hang them in a kitchen like this. It is hard to braid hardneck garlic, so we gather a few and tie them together to make a bundle and hang them up the wall. If you found value in this video, please support our channel by liking it and subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching.